bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana.
So before I do the baby hair, I like to push the comb, my hot comb back, and then I will use my gel. I use the She's the Bomb gel, and I just start swooping. But make sure that when you doing a baby hair, make sure that you cut it short. Don't make it too long, because if you make it long, it's not gonna look realistic and natural. It's just gonna look not good. So make sure that you cut it short, like me. And don't pull out a lot of baby hair. If you can't find She's the Bomb, or if you don't want to wait for the gel to come to you, just go to your local beauty supply store and get Gorilla Slime. So after I'm done doing the baby hairs on that side, I just use my hot comb just to push it back. When you're doing baby hair, just pull out a little bit of hair to make the baby hair. Do not pull out a lot of hair. Just pull out a little bit so it could be thin and realistic. So now I'm about to start laying down the back. First, I use my tail comb just to part it. And then I will use my wax stick just so it could lay flat and mold it. And then after I use the wax stick, I will just use my hot comb just to make it flat. And that's it. Just keep on using the hot comb until it's flat as possible. If you would like to see me more behind the scenes of me doing hair, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.